LeetCode question 26, remove duplicates from sorted array. So basically we are supposed to modify the nums array in place and then return k, where k is the final result of the first k slots of nums. Yes. Okay. So given an example, like if given this 112 nums array, we want to basically return k as 2 after modifying the original nums array to 1, 2, and something, like whatever elements come after k, it will not matter. Yes, that's what the question said. So looking at the constraints, it says that the original nums array can be empty and max 3 times 10 to the power 4, and then the elements itself can range from -100 to +100. Lastly, it's sorted in a non-decreasing order. Okay, so let's get started on this question. So it seems like we can just keep track of what's the last we can use a two-pointer approach. One, to kind of traverse like the elements, each element as we go along, like traverse the array, and another pointer to keep track of like the last available position where it's okay to like overwrite that value at that position. So in this example, we'll use example 2 as an example. So for this, we start off here, and then we have a for loop to traverse through this nums array, and then as we go 0, okay, same element, and then 1 when we meet an element that is different. Let me use a different color. Go 0, and then when we hit 1 and we realize that this element and this 1 and 0 is different, we want to increment the last avail pointer, and then replace this 0 with the element 1, and then we can continue doing this throughout the array, and then lastly return last avail p as our final answer after we're done with traversing through the whole array once. So this solution will be linear because we are just doing a one pass solution throughout the whole array. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's initialize the, what do you call it, the last avail pointer first, right? So last avail p is, we'll initialize it to index 0, and then we can start our for loop for I in range length nums what, yeah, okay, if nums last avail p not equals to nums I, basically we meet a new element now, then what we want to do is increment the last avail p, and then we will replace that element in that position with the nums I. Okay, yeah, that's all right. Yeah, and then at the end of it we want to return last avail p plus 1, because this, even though, okay, so okay, example here, like this is index 0 1 2 3 4, so when we mean index 4 the last avail p, but we have to return the k, which is the number of elements, yeah, in the nums final nums array. So if we try this, okay, great, it works. Let's try submitting it. Okay, great. It looks like the runtime and memory usage is not optimal, but it's still a one-pass solution, and I did not use any extra memory other than just assigning it like the last avail pointer, so it's fine. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.